In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn's Meshnet for remote desktop access. If you're looking to connect devices securely and access them remotely, you've landed in the right place. Let's dive in step by step and make sure you have a smooth experience setting this up. First things first, you need to go to the Nordvpn website. If you've not been on the site before, simply open your favorite web browser and type in Nordvpn. Navigate to their homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because you'll need access to the dashboard to continue with the setup. Once you're on the Nordvpn dashboard, you'll want to look for the Meshnet option. It's usually located in the menu on the dashboard page. Meshnet is a feature provided by Nordvpn that lets you link devices under one secure network. It's especially handy for accessing a desktop remotely, as it ensures that your connection remains private and secure. After you've located Meshnet on the dashboard, click on it. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage your connected devices. Here, you will find options to both add and view devices that are part of your Meshnet. It might seem a little technical at first, but don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. Next, you need to click on Connect Devices on Meshnet. This is the step where you begin to link additional devices to your network. Clicking this option will allow you to add devices you wish to incorporate into your Meshnet. It's a straightforward process, but make sure that the devices you're adding are ready to connect. They must be powered on and within network reach. As you go through these steps, it's important to remember that this setup lets you securely access your desktop from anywhere in the world without compromising on security. Every device added to Meshnet communicates as if it's on a local network, but with enhanced privacy thanks to encryption. If during this process you encounter any issues or error messages, consider checking your internet connection first. In many cases, these kinds of problems arise due to a poor or intermittent connection. Restarting your modem or router can often resolve these issues. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up Nordvpn's Meshnet for remote desktop access. Enjoy the freedom of accessing your devices securely, no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tech tutorials. Happy browsing!